Now, as reported, there was another by-election today in the Norman Gardens division. Now, that by-election was pretty much incident-free. My colleague Anthony Lugg was there and he filed this report.
I'm hoping to win this evening.
He has never win, will never win, and he's just there campaigning.
The candidates battling for the Norman Gardens division: Jamaica Labour Party's Headley Wilson and the People's National Party's Jacqueline Lewis. It's understood Miss Lewis casted her vote shortly after 8 at the Rennock Lodge All-Age. However, we were informed that Headley Wilson did not vote. But why?
As I said to you, it is a Norman Garden division we are contesting today. I am living on the Springfield division, but I am a registered voter in the parish.
The Norman Gardens division is considered a safe seat for the PNP, and by the looks of things on Monday, the JLP candidate did not stand a chance.
I've never met him. I don't know him. I don't know his name, never seen him. I've known nothing about him.
We don't know this man from nowhere. You understand? So we can't give him a try and then him go waste, mash up the community.
But JLP candidate Headley Wilson insists he is the best candidate.
I am from the constituency, you know. I don't live on the Norman Garden division. I live in Springfield. I'm living there for over 30 years.
Outside the polling stations, just a handful of supporters, most of whom were clad in orange. Security personnel were also in place.
The police officers were out early. We were at the polling stations before 5 a.m. But for the most part, 5 a.m., we have with us the PSSAs, as you know, we call them the one-day police. And we have 3 soldiers at every polling location. I've been going around this morning and things are relatively smooth.
Inside the polling stations, not much activity. The low voter turnout spoke volumes. But the persons we spoke with argued that this won't be an issue for the PNP.
Jackie can't lose. Jackie win by a city block.
Miss Lewis, all the way.
And in fact, Miss Lewis has already begun making plans for the division.
My mission for my first 100 days, when I am victorious as councillor today, is youth development. I'm big on that. And I have been working with Hearts, and I've been working with the Jamaica Defence Force as well to help the youth to develop a skill.
We hear a lot of these promises sometimes. Can we keep hold you to your word with this?
Absolutely. And when first 100 days, I am inviting you to come back to see what I've done.
Anthony Lugg,
Thank you
TVJ
so
News.
much.